Hey, listen up. If you are using WordPress, then you should take regular backups of your WordPress website. So in case of emergency, like if your site is hacked or if some plugin causes issues and your site is broken, then you can easily fix that using a backup file. So here in this video, I'm going to talk about 4 different backup plugins that you can use on your website depending upon your needs. So the first plugin in our list is Updraft Plus, where you can take backups daily, weekly or monthly basis, and you can automatically store your backup file in cloud storage like Google Drive, so that in case of emergency you can easily restore the files from Google Drive itself. Next plugin in our list is WP Vivid. So it is a pretty reliable plugin and it is very easy to use. So you can take backups and migrate your website from one hosting to other. So this is one of my favorite backup plugin and I often use WP Vivid migration plugin. Next, you can use a plugin like Duplicator as well. Here you will get a lot of features like secure backups, backup schedule, one-click restore, rollback option, cloud storage options. So you can also consider the Duplicator plugin. And the next plugin in our list is Blog Vault. So if you are dealing with a large website or if you are working on an e-commerce website, then you can consider Blog Vault. So you can easily back up your transaction details, back up your orders. So in case of emergency, you can easily restore all these sensitive informations in your website. And I don't recommend that you should install the all-in-one WP migration. This looks perfect, but when you import the backup, it causes issues and there is serious file limit issues in the free version. So I recommend that you should avoid the all-in-one WP migration. Instead, you can use Blog Vault, Duplicator or WP Vivid migration plugin or Updraft Plus plugin. So let me know which backup plugin are you using on your website in the comment section. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button. Thank you.